going to come in a 4-part kit, like 2 ends, lower spoiler, upper spoiler. So what we're going to do now is going to show you all the bolts are already in as they come, so there's nothing else, everything's there, it's all in place for you. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to construct this as it is on the floor before we show you how to fit it to the car. Stuck that bit on so I can show you. We moved all the bolts are just in the ends of the spoilers there, so just going to place that one through there. Obviously the other end was exactly the same. Line that one up there. And obviously you can line that one up there. And I'm going to put them in, but obviously I'm going to leave it loose for the time being, just till we get all 4 ends to make sure they all line up. So here is where we could do with 2 people. Let's just see if we can make this on. So the second end of the blade, on the top piece of the blade, obviously sits in them other holes there. So just come around that side so you can see there. So again, get the 4th bolt in through. So that's pretty much it, and then we'll go up the other end, just put them 2 in. And there again, just all lines up, don't even need to line it up, just go straight in. So at this point now, we can just tighten it all up. It's just so simple, like I say, 4 bolts, either end. So there you go, spoiler's now built, so as you can see, it still weighs nothing even with both of it on it, so I can see under there, perfect, you can sort of start seeing the effects of it anyway. We'll go on to getting it onto the car. Right, so I don't know if you're familiar with removing your standard spoiler, but basically just 5 bolts along here. They've all got grommets on like this, so get yourself pull the ears in the boot. So we've got 10mm these there. You need quite a deep one. I'll show you why when I take them off. So now the knack is here, do not drop your bolt in your boot lid. So I'm just going to loosen them all off first. And then... Right guys, as you saw the time lapse there, you've probably, knowing you mini enthusiasts, probably got a magnet and stuff that you can use, but you can see there, 10mm, do not drop it in your boot lid there. If you do, then obviously magnet it out. So we've got all the bolts out, you can see you don't need to hold the spoiler or anything, because I'll show you now as we go down, nice and gently. So basically all the bolts are out, you have to be a bit abrupt there and just, that's it. So you'll see, as you can see, got it on a bench here just so you can work on it. So it's just them two screws there, one there and one there. Like I say, you don't have to mess about getting another spoiler or putting a Cooper spoiler on so it'll fit right and this, that and the other. You can use a standard Cooper S base plate. So on each end there's a little clip tab there, you just need to bend back like that and it'll just snap out. And then there's one at the other end there and there's 2 in the middle there. So you can just see all you do is basically screwdriver in and just pry that out till it comes off. And then this, a bit of brute force and a click. Same on the other end. So that's basically what you're left with. Now, excuse the dirt, we do clean under there, honest. So there we go, so there's the Cooper S original base plate, as you can see. So you can sort of see how it's going to go here, work out which way to do it. So all we're going to do is put us nice new shiny spoiler there and then mark it up. So this, don't know if Laura wants to come round, you can see there, in there, and replace your screws. Like I say, they're not structural or anything. The spoiler there, all bolts back onto the original bolting points with proper bolt, proper stainless bolts. So it's not going to come off. But this is basically all you're going to do is drill it exactly there, there and there, and just put these 2 locating screws back in. There we go, just drilled them. Like I say, they are only locating screws, they're not structural at all, so just as long as that's located, just gives you ease of putting it on. So obviously if you had a Mini one or a Cooper, you would need a Cooper S base plate to give that perfect fit. Like I say, you see as you can see from over there, I mean, we're not even bolted in yet, looks absolutely. So all you need to do, bring it back 18 up there. We're just going to bring it down till that's right, and we're just going to slot it on like that. So now, like I say, it's not completely secure, so do just be careful because you've got a lot of weight there. So, well, not a lot of weight, a lot of overhang, and not much weight. So we're just going to put that up to there, making sure it doesn't drop. So as you can see, we're back to where we were. So obviously the 3 stainless ones are a bit more tricky because they go in the ends there. So first of all I'm going to do to start off is just get it located with these 2. So we'll put them back on. Again, watching out you don't drop anything. So at least we're not falling off. Up in, it's not all over. So it's sort of secure now because this is the fiddly bit. Right, the spoiler, noticed on there, these, I've got quite a big washer on these bolts, so being a bit engineering and all the rest of it, that's a small head. We're going to send these as well, so obviously they can go on there and give you that same surface area. Like I say, I don't know whether this was overlooked, but I'd rather have it right. So, the tricky bit now, like I say, you've got to get that in there and into that hole without dropping it. Luckily I've just got that one in first go, so we're in with that one. Pull it down tight and then we'll just go across to the middle. You can see me failing here as I'm on video. Oh, second one. There we go. So like I said, I'm just going to back that off, you know, enough. And we've got a 3rd one in there. So all the way down and then back it off. Just only a little bit. So what we're going to do at that point, just come up to the top of the shaft. So come on there with the camera, you can see it fits absolutely spot on. It's pulled into the middle of the hole, it fits both ends then perfect and fits on there perfect. Like I say, there's no measuring, bottom, tailgate, you know, drilling things and all the rest of it. It fits outstanding. So, if in 6 months time you're selling your car, remove the spoiler, put your Cooper S spoiler back on, no drill holes, no rust starting to come through, etc. It's just a dead easy fit. Like I say, watch the video, it's probably took us, all in all, even with doing the video, about half an hour to install that. 2 of you would smash it in 15 minutes. Like I say, once the spoiler's built up like that, it is literally 5 bolts, 3 Allen keys, 2 10mm, pop off the things, unbolt it, clip your other one back on, and it's as easy as that. So guys, if you would like to purchase one of these, go to our website, www.kilochrome.co.uk. We're expecting these are going to fly out, so obviously we've got a certain amount of stock at the moment. If you manage to get one of them, then that's fine. If not, keep an eye on the website because we will be getting these back in stock again as soon as these sell out, so keep an eye on there and place your orders.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.